What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. All right, guys, we're out on the driveway install. We're getting everything buttoned up. We're digging a bunch of sand out that we found here, and we're gonna spread it over an area that the customer wants to be able to walk in and stuff and work in, and then eventually they'll put some topsoil. We're just gonna cover up the clay, kind of line the side of the big pad that we built out there, so that way like the clay doesn't all mix in with the driveway gravel and all that good stuff. So let's get out to the site and get to work, boys. Happy New Year's almost. It's New Year's Eve. Let's get... We've been getting lucky lately, guys. That's 2 sites in a row that we found this much good sand. So like in the area we live, within like the 50 minutes in the region, like the soils and everything are so much different. There's like a lot of stony, like natural river rock places. There's like a lot of places are like a lot of clay. Then we got a lot of sand. So it's definitely lucky when you can find it on site. Saves you a ton of time in trucking and saves the customer money, and you can still make some money doing it. But we're going to keep getting that covered up and get this site done. Don't forget, if you love our content and you want to see a bunch of videos that aren't to the public, join our membership channel. It's called the Dirt Life membership. You can see, I'll leave a link down in this video, and there'll be a bunch of like insider stuff that we don't really post to the public on YouTube. How-to videos, in-depth price breakdown, one-on-one conversations if needed, all the above. So don't forget to join the membership and get on the monthly program. Hope to see you there.